ugly spot, killer shot. What's up everyone, my name is Sal Sincata, and today we are starting a new series called Ugly Shot. No, I already screwed it up. Ugly Spot, Killer Shot. That's a little bit of a tongue twister for me. But we're starting a new series. Why? Because as photographers, one of the most important traits I think we can learn, besides lighting and posing and all the basics, is learning how to see the way our cameras see. What does that mean? Focal length, depth of field, all of these things, composition, can really change ugly spots and turn them into killer shots. So let's just do a 360 around here where you see we're at, right? We're on a trail, we got trash cans, bad lighting maybe, right? Some greenery, shrubbery, right? So there's not much here to meet the eyes to turn it into a killer shot, right? Because you could make the argument that if you go to a park, a tree is a tree is a tree, grass is grass, right? But how do we make this look killer? And so what we're gonna do is on this particular one, I'm gonna use an 85mm f1.2. I want a shallow depth of field here. I wanna kind of blur everything out, but this kind of caught my eye, okay? Now, as a native New Yorker, I have no idea what this is called, so I'm not even gonna try and call it something like I'm a horticulturist or anything like that. I think that's the right word, I don't know. Instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this to frame Violet up. So we're also gonna use color in this, right, to create a killer shot. She's wearing orange, and I think this orange and green is really going to stand out. So let's stop talking about it. Let's get to it. All right, so right here, seriously, it's just like a bushel of this stuff, right? So in and of itself, it's kind of like unassuming. But what I'm going to do is use all this foreground, right, to create green and then have her face somewhere in this area to really frame it up and let the colors pop and her skin pop. And then compositionally, I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but up there you'll see sky and some trees. That's also gonna lend to some leading lines to get to her face and head, all right? So let's get Violet over here and we'll start doing it. So Violet, now we're gonna work with the light coming out here. Yep, you're gonna be looking out that way. I need you stepping into this gap a little bit more, this way. Yep, okay, right there. So you're seeing, guys, how I'm just framing this up. Yep, love the eye contact. All right, so I'm gonna shoot this two ways. I shot it the first way, natural light. I like it. It's got a brighter feel to it, but I didn't like the light that was hitting her in the eye. So what I did now is we've got the Westcott FJ82 for this at a very low power. It's only on a power setting of 2. That's all you really need for a little bit of fill. So let's start shooting this now. Bring those flowers away from your body just a little. Yeah, and down, there we go. Gorgeous, Violet, love this. Yeah, that's all we need. Looking away, stunning. And what you're seeing I'm doing in these images is I'm putting her head in the V of the tree behind her, right? So where it's the brightness back there, it's just driving you there. So it's just a subtle leading line, but it makes a big difference, I think, right? Absolutely killer. So we're using, right, all these kind of leaves driving us into her, and it's just giving us a killer shot. Right there, perfect. I'm being particular. Okay, stunning, stunning, stunning. And I'm just really using this tree or this plant to frame her up. We're getting this beautiful light. And the key here is really shooting at this shallow depth of field because it's creating all these layers from the plant. So we're just getting all these layers that are different levels of blurry. And I think that's giving us a really nice looking shot, both horizontally and vertically, what you're seeing on the screen. I think they're killer. The video's title, Ugly Spot, Killer Shot. I'm gonna remember that. We gotta get t-shirts made for it. So hopefully you enjoy this video, really enjoy the scene we put together here, and the shots I think are killer. Let me know in the comments what you think. Natural light or flash? I think the flash wins.